Hey, this is Mike from ExplorersAreUs. Today I want to talk to you something that's been near and dear to my heart. Something I've noticed a lot of people are not doing, and it just kind of has disappeared. And in reality, we should all be doing it, and we're not. And that is when you go out and you go hiking or walking or biking or even going in the mountains like I do. One of the things that you should always be doing every couple of days is wearing ankle weights. Now, most people aren't doing that. Matter of fact, I have yet to see anybody in the last 2 years in shorts or whatever ever wearing ankle weights. So if you want to improve your health, this is one of the best and easiest ways to do it. And it's so easy to do. One, it helps you lose weight because it's resistance training. Two, it helps you build muscle. And yes, I have some good muscles on my legs, and they've gotten a lot better when I started using the ankle weights. It improves cardio health. Very, very important. It's budget friendly. My gosh, it only costs a few dollars for ankle weights versus hundreds and hundreds of dollars to go to a gym. Why not just go for a walk and save yourself the trouble? It's convenient. I can leave it in the car. I can put it in my pocket. These aren't this heavy. Matter of fact, I walked out to a school today, and I have 2 sets on me. So there's about 20 pounds worth of weight here. And I just love it. And I do it about every 3 days. Again, it's very, very convenient. It also improves bone density, which is very important as you get older. So guys, if you haven't gotten some ankle weights, get out there and get some and go help yourself. Get off Ozempic and do something good for yourself. You only have one body. Don't put chemicals in it. This is Mike from ExplorersAreUs, also Cycling Explorers at times. Have a great day.